This is a MATLAB figure. It contains a plot or graph. You can open it in MATLAB to rotate the graph and inspect data points. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's inspect the data. Quick check. Before proceeding, know that a universal viewer can often read the data within the FIG archive, even if it can't fully extract it. FIG files are design files created by Figma, the collaborative web-based interface design and prototyping tool. They contain vector interface designs, component libraries, auto layout frames, prototype interactions, design tokens, and version history, used in UI/UX design workflows for web and mobile application development. Figma FIG files use a proprietary binary format, storing vector graphics with component instances, auto layout constraints, prototype flow connections, design variables, and collaborative editing metadata. The format is optimized for Figma's real-time multiplayer editing engine and cloud-based version control system. The FIG proprietary design mandates association with Figma from Figma, Inc. To unlock the full potential of this format, a dedicated program is required for rendering. Windows cannot handle embedded resources or design structures, so compatible editors are essential. To bypass the file reading error, right-click the FIG file and choose Open With. Prioritize Figma if available. If absent, choose another application. We are searching for the correct file association. If you are still having trouble opening the FIG file, do not worry. Only the most difficult files make it this far. We must now test these known failure areas to get a definitive answer on the problem's origin. First, opening in Figma. Open Fig files by importing them into Figma through the web app at figma.com or the Figma desktop application. Use File then Import and select the Fig file. The design loads with all frames, components, styles, prototype connections, and layer structure intact for viewing and editing. Next, viewing without editing. If you only need to view a Fig design without editing, request a share link from the file owner. Figma allows view-only access through shared links in any web browser without requiring an account. Viewers can inspect element properties, copy CSS values, and leave comments on the design. Finally, exporting assets. Within Figma, select individual frames or elements and use the export panel to save them as PNG, SVG, JPG, or PDF. For developer handoff, use Figma's Inspect panel or integrate with tools like Zeppelin for detailed specifications. Export entire pages to PDF for presentation or documentation purposes. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.